Hi, I'm Trish Mackie-Smith. I'm CEO and co-founder of Inndox. Like you have a logbook for your car with all the service history that transfers from owner to owner, Inndox is a digital logbook for your property. There's been uncertainty and fear recently about the safety of buildings. You would have heard about the tower fires, cracks in buildings like the Opal Tower, the Mascot Tower, forcing owners and tenants out of their homes in the interest of safety. And as a property lawyer, I've helped many dealing with these issues of unsafe buildings. And I've seen a spike in the litigation, disputes over who's to blame for these non-compliant buildings. Well, the courts have made it very clear. All those in the supply chain are accountable, from the architects through to the trades, suppliers, manufacturers, tradies, builders, but ultimately the responsibility rests with the property owner. Now, this is causing huge issues for those builders and property developers of those high-rise buildings, because now they must prove compliance all the way through the construction period and for many, many years after the build. But how can they do this when 90% of builders still provide paper handovers? The manuals, warranties, certificates, specifications, approvals, plans are usually provided in a folder full of paper. Sure, some might provide some email attachments or USB sticks, but this is inadequate. And it's difficult for them to provide after-sales service because the builder often loses contact with the property owner. And there's no recognised industry standard for the builder handover, nor is there software unless it's a $1 billion project that's managed by BIM. So the solution is Inndox. It's a digital builder handover that bridges the gap between the builder software and the property owner. So essentially, it's an owner management system for the owner to better manage their property. And the beauty of it, the awesome part is, it transfers to the next owner. So now builders can easily prove compliance. They have access to the records for the entire life of the property. And it's fast. Instead of it taking weeks, sometimes months for these complexes to be handed over, it can be done in a matter of hours. And it's a much better customer experience. For property owners, it's what they expect. Digital for everything. All in one place, under their control. And easy maintenance. They get warranty alerts, maintenance alerts for appliances like their dishwasher, aircon unit. And there's auto-filing of their emails directly onto Inndox. And selling is a breeze. We're focused right now on new builds. Through Australia, the potential market is $11 million per annum. But globally, it's a massive market opportunity because Inndox can apply to all property types, both new and old. And there's no barrier to entry into global markets. There's 2.5 billion properties that could use Inndox. Since we launched last year, we have over 50 builders and property developers on our platform. We've partnered with Master Builders and Law Lab. We have been endorsed by HIA and Property Council of Australia. We have been in talks with JLL and Suncorp. And I just got back from London Tech Week, and we have a London investor, very keen, and a French investor. The business model is B2B to C. Builders pay a one-off fee for the handover, and then the owner gets free access for the next 12 months, then it converts to a SaaS. There's a UK business called Whoozy. They have 250 property developers on their platform, 100,000 users. So it proves there's a market for what we're doing. And House Lab recently launched out of Melbourne. They do a digital handover for architects. But neither of them have the functionality of Inndox, and nor are they purpose-driven. We have a very experienced team. I've been a property lawyer. I've run 3 businesses with my co-founder, Andrew, who was a commercial builder. We have a highly skilled dev team and very connected advisors. We're raising $1 million. We have an ATO ruling, which is very beneficial for investors, So they get an immediate tax offset of 20%, no capital gains tax for 10 years. With these funds, we will grow our team, expand our marketing, scale across Australia and go into international markets. We're on a mission to improve the industry, to make it safer, more transparent and sustainable. Inndox will be the global standard for property records. We're looking for a lead investor, potential partners and customers. Please come and see me if you're interested. Thank you.